So, ladies and gents, TVs and satellite TV and all sorts of things out there these days. There's different opportunities. We've got our manual setups, we've got our automatic setups, and also we'll venture into, if you actually stay on our website, to some of the things like Starlink and going things like that. But today we're talking about our satellite TV setups. We do service and repair those here, and also fitment. So if you need anything where you're having a problem with one of your units, we can look after that for you. We can come in and try and service that, or any dramas, but also we do some major fitments and things. So guys, when you're looking at these sort of things, we still want to look at what sort of dish you're fitting, size that you've physically got on top of your roof, and also structure of your roof as well, because you've got a unit going up there and you've got to think about these sort of things, that when you're fitting it and making sure it's still structural on your roof, if you are doing corrugated roads, doing things like that, making sure you get that structure right. So guys, it is a great thing. Some people, they go camping not to watch TV. I understand it. There's some of the people that are traveling every day of the week and actually want to be, or living in their vans and use it. So guys, have a look at it, get on our website or hit on our links. If you want any more information or need a quote, reach out to the team. We're here for you. Have a great day.